The Lincoln Navigator has stayed the course for over 25 years, dutifully providing full-size SUV luxury and notable towing power. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator, formidable in size and thirst, its blend of luxury and modern tech create a rolling den of old-school hedonism. Up front there's a bolder, more upright grille with a light-up Lincoln emblem that forms the fuselage of the glider wing daytime running lamps that sweep across to the headlamps. A similar crosscar tail lamp spans the rear, and both help deliver a Lincoln-embraced welcome animation. A panoramic moonroof is standard, and the roof rails now mount flush to the bodywork. A jet package blacks out the wheels and exterior trim. The Navigator's interior is spacious and genuinely luxurious, with rich materials throughout and features designed to pamper passengers. Even the Navigator's third row is an enjoyable place to spend time thanks to its roomy accommodations and 40/20/40 split-folding bench seat. The Navigator Reserve has a 24-way power-adjustable driver's seat, but both front seat passengers benefit from heated, ventilated, and massaging cushions, a key feature for Lincoln's flagship SUV. The Black Label take things further with 30-way adjustable front seats that are almost sculptural and so customizable that you can even adjust the individual left and right thigh supports to different heights. The Navigator comes standard with an eye-catching 48-inch dash spanning screen. The infotainment system's graphics are slick and easy to read, important for Lincoln's presbyopic clientele, and a new Pano mode allows for video and gaming apps to be slid to either side of the center screen when the vehicle is in park. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the system is capable of over-the-air software updates thanks to a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. The Navigator also has a 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D sound system that helps make the Rejuvenate relaxation mode come to life with the help of the dash's expansive displays. Need to charge your device? There are up to 14 USB-C ports, including 4 in the second row and 4 in the third row, and the Black Label offers a second-row wireless charging pad. With room for up to 8 passengers and available with 2 wheelbases, the longer version increases cargo room. Its natural competitors are the Cadillac Escalade and Jeep Grand Wagoneer. But the big Lincoln focuses on luxury first and foremost rather than any overt sportiness or off-road pretension. The second row offers a bench seat, captain's chairs, or PowerPitch and Slide captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage, optional on the Reserve and standard on the Black Label. The Navigator's immense size is a drawback when weaving through traffic or attempting to park, but it's a boon when it comes time to pack for vacation. Second row Black Label folks get 8-way adjustable heated/cooled power tilt/slide captain's chairs. A bench is optional. Lower trims get electric tilt release with manual slide. In the most glamorous Black Label trim, the second row seats are fully powered and offer climate and massage functions. The third row is a bench split 40/20/40 to allow longer items such as skis to be accommodated. The seats recline but do not slide. Luggage space is similar to before, and while there's just about enough space for a weekend away, a roof box will be required for longer vacations if all the seats are in use. It's big, but not that big. The biggest updates to the 2025 Lincoln Navigator Reserve are found in the cabin and on the tailgate. The latter, for the first time ever in a Lincoln, is a split gate designed to assist in loading and unloading cargo, to serve as a place to sit while you put on your golf shoes, or as a venue to kick back a tailgate party. The lower portion is rated to hold up to 227 kilograms, 500 pounds. And Lincoln has gone one further in the now seemingly ubiquitous kick to open feature, with the two parts of the tailgate opening by simply sensing the key fob in a designated area behind the vehicle for 4 seconds. Pretty cool idea, and one I'm sure will be copied by other manufacturers in the coming years.